Another way you can do lower third is by adding a graphic background, which is going to cover up this edit stock, and then building a legacy title. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to New, Color Matte, and I'm just going to make it black. And I'm going to just drag it over. Then I'm going to go to my effects and take the crop tool, drag it on top, and then I'm going to crop it. So I know I need to crop the top. I'm just going to cover up that edit stock. But black's pretty boring for Madame Donut. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to match her hair. Go in there. Yeah, that matches her a lot better. Now normally I would make it opaque. But that takes away the fact that I'm covering up the edit stock. So I have to leave that all the way on. Then I'm going to go into my legacy title. So New, Legacy Title, and I'm going to build what it says. So Madame Donut. I'm going to place that on there. Double click and I can create whatever font I want. It looks nice and clean. I can change the kerning. I can build anything I normally do with my font. So now, and then I'm just going to drag that on top. So now I can do one of two ways. I can do that apply default transition. And this is a dip to white, so that's not going to work. I have to go into my effects, build my transition, and I can do a slide. So it's just going to push on. And then I can push it off. Or because it's a cut, I can just have it be there during that time and go off during that shot. So just taking those transitions away, stretching out my timeline to make sure it just lasts during that. So I'm going to have, when I cut to that shot, it's going to have that bar up, but I want that transition of her name coming on. So then I'm just going to do the keyframes. So again, it's on my title. I'm going to have it come in, and I'm going to position. So it's going to start off and end there. So all I have to do is drag off this position. And I think that's too fast, so I just drag this keyframe to slower. Still a little slow, so a little fast. So let's get in between that. And that's how we do keyframes with the lower third. If we build it, so we used legacy title, I used a color matte and crop, and I have it come on. So that's just another option. So there's using the graphics, which is my Stencil graphic templates, or I can use the New, and I can use legacy title. I can bring in a Photoshop file, and I can create a color matte. So those are just options on doing lower third.